Sitting here in the man shed tonight, freezing my cojones off. That's nuts to y'all. So I'm not going to be out here very long. I've been spending too much time on social media the last few days. And I had already come to this conclusion, but the last few days have cemented my opinion. Technology has ruined the human race. When I was a kid growing up, I'm dating myself here, used to get home from school and watch Star Trek, the original Star Trek, and dream about when we were going to have all that technology. When did I just get to talk to the computer and get myself a fried egg sandwich or whatever? When could I just go from place to place by stepping in a booth and magically appearing over someplace else? When we're going to have them fancy communicators, flip phone, so we could talk back and forth to each other all the time. When we're going to have all this video conferencing where it could pop up where we could talk to each other like that. We got all that stuff, most of it. Not the replicators yet. At least not to my knowledge, we don't have the replicators yet. I'd still like to have one of those. But the fact is it's making us stupid. And it's making us sometimes a little too brave. You got people on the internet who don't even mind jumping in your crap. Jumping in each other's crap when they would never say that to your face. Never. Now, a lot of them say they would, but they wouldn't. Because it's my personal experience that I've gone through this stuff where people say one thing to you when you're standing next to each other, and they're immediately gone on the internet and they immediately say something completely opposite of what they said to you standing right beside you. And people don't check things. I was watching a whole bunch of stuff, facts, coming back and forth to each other about this Chinese weather balloon thing, which I may talk about on Monday. This is not going to be a cigar and whiskey talk. This is kind of more like Salty Dog Says. That may be a new series, or maybe even a whole new channel name, Salty Dog Says. Because I still got a lot of crap about not doing very many outdoors videos from Salty Dog Outdoors. Anyway, technology's ruined us, plain and simple. And not in a good way. People just repeat things that pop across their screen without using any common sense, any powers of deductive reasoning, or even checking on what they're saying. It's a sad, sad thing. I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do with humans. Kind of rooting for the folks who say we're killing the planet. Kind of rooting for them to be right. Because the fact of the matter is this: the planet will be just fine, no matter what we do. We can't hurt the planet enough to completely kill it without us being gone a long, long, long time before that. And that'll get y'all what we want, because we won't be influencing anything anymore. Not that we're influencing half the stuff y'all say we're doing, we're influencing now. That's about it. I think I want to start a series just on beeswax, since I've got 25 pounds of beeswax to do some stuff with. We'll make some candles, make some lotion bars, make some salves. Maybe make some chapstick. But I'll probably just do those deodorant sticks things, because if you can do the deodorant stick, you can do the chapstick. It's the same stuff. But anyway, I just want somebody to save me from the internet. That'd be awesome. Anyhow, talk to y'all later.